Hey, what's up, guys? Here we are, Wolf Creek, hole 9, par 4. First look at this in tour 2. It looks like we got the back pin location, which gives us the most green to work with. I try to keep my drive to the left here, so it usually funnels down to the right. Plus, it also creates the best angle. So if you do keep it to the left, you have the most green that doesn't go over that bunker. So let's see where we're at, 2.5 towards the max line. And I would say that we're going to be up here, 103, 102, somewhere in there. Might just go right on one. So there's that. Ultimate shot. Coming in. Oh, I didn't quite anticipate that bounce though. I think the ring adjustment looked pretty good, but the bounce was very bright. I'm going to have to start playing a little bit more break with my ball guide, so keep that in mind. Always make mental notes of green hops that you see. But good luck there, and I will see you guys on the shootout momentarily.